Welcome to 2 Keaton Way, North Leverton. This 3-bedroom property in North Leverton would make an ideal buy for a first-time buyer. Properties along this stretch do not stay on the market long. In terms of accommodation, there's an entrance hallway, a good-sized lounge and a kitchen on the ground floor. Upstairs sees 3 good-sized bedrooms and the house bathroom. The outside space is fantastic. There's a very long drive, which means it's nicely set away from the road. And as you can see, the garden to the rear is an excellent size. There's also plenty of outbuildings as well for a bit of extra storage. This property is offered for sale with no upward chain. This property is offered for sale by Newton Fallowell Estate Agents. Please contact the office to arrange your viewing.